Yo, what's up, guys? Your boy FXGK Millionaire right here. I hope you guys enjoy this video right now, guys, because why? This breakdown video is gonna be super lit, guys. I know you guys want to see more profits where I'm taking profits and making money from my trading. So that is why I decided to do this video, guys, and to do another breakdown video how I'm generating money on a continuous basis, right? So this strategy, guys, is going to be a breakthrough strategy for all of you guys who's coming into the market. If you're new to this YouTube channel, guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now and give your boy a like and drop your comments down below on any type of video suggestion that you guys want to see, guys, because why? I was taking a break for a while and just focusing on my trading, and I can tell you guys that break was basically so much profitable, guys. I can even show you money right now. Let's show you guys. See, I know a lot of you guys just want cash. I'm driving around with cash every single day, so you guys can see right there. Oh, my nose is pretty dirty. Yeah, so guys, I hope you guys will enjoy this video, guys. So let's jump straight into this breakdown and strategy video. Let's go. So first, what I want you guys to do is to go to your toolbar up here and click on your horizontal ray, right? Click on it, go to settings button, and you guys can type in daily level, and you guys can save it, right? I already have mine saved right here. So I want you guys to do it with all of it, right? For all the time frames that we're gonna use. So now you guys can just type in here as well. Just remove this and just type in weekly. Level is there, template, and save as. Now you guys can just type in weekly level, and I want you guys to save it, right? And second thing that we also gonna take a look at is we're gonna use the arrow tool as well to help us to understand where is our higher low or higher high or lower high or lower low. So I want you guys to drag it out as well, and I want you guys to go to the tool and settings again, and I want you guys to type in L. Just keep caps on LL. That stands for lower low. You guys must click there, save as LL. Alright, I already have mine right here. Then I want you guys to type in L8, right? It stands for lower high. So save as L8, right? Then let's go to H8. It stands for higher high. Click there, save as H8, and just save it. And then we're going to do HL, higher low, save as HL. So once you have all of this saved right now, it's going to be so much easier for you just to click on it, go to this left then templates. So now you can just pick any one of it. So let's choose this higher low. You will see it will just pop out there. So now I know this is my higher low reason. So now I can just drag another array in right here, in left hand side. It's gonna be my higher high, right? I hope you guys get it, and please pause this video and please edit first before you continue on with this video, guys. So let's get into it, guys. So now, as you guys can see, we on TJ, we on a weekly time frame as we was discussing it in our previous video. So what we must always do on our bigger time frame is to look for price in market structure. Where does price basically trading, right? So as you guys notice, we have this higher lows right here, and we have this higher high right here, right? So now what you guys can do is you can drag it out, higher low right here, and you can mark this as our higher high, right? So now what we could see on GJ is that we're basically trading in between this higher low point and this higher high.
this is only on our weekly time frame. So if we scale down right now, we're not gonna add supports in yet. We're only gonna look at the time frames, right? So let's scale on to our daily time frame. So what you guys could see in our daily time frame is that price did create this low point right here, right? This low price did rally here to the upside, did break all of this structure here to the left hand side, and did break out of this previous structure higher high, and we have this higher high. Then we can see price did rally here to the downside. Price retraced back into this region right here. All right, so what we can say is that this is our daily lower high, right? So what I will mark here, I will just drag it out there. And it is really important that you mark it on the week, guys. Just mark it on the week where the move was basically starting from. You cannot just mark it from here, right? I mark it from the week where price basically starting to move from. As you guys can see, price did come here to the downside with this impulsive move to the downside, did come and test this reasons right here, did this reasons here as well. Price wasn't able to break underneath it. Price starting to stall and creating this level of support and starting to range. And now we can see we have this rally here to the upside. So if we scale on to our 4-hour time frame, now we'll see where our 4-hour time frame is basically trading, right? What we could see is that price did create this 4-hour lower high. That price break out of it, right? Let me just zoom in so you guys can understand. Right, this was our lower high. Price break to the downside. Just put it in so you guys can understand it. This is our lower high, and this is our lower low point where price did trade, right? Now you guys could see that price break structure and then create this new form of a lower low. So now this is our new low form of a lower low. There we can see price break structure again and create this new form of a lower low. And there we can see this is our lower high, right? Price break again, our lower low point right there. So now we can see we have this impulsive move, a first sign of direction change to the upside. That is our first new high into the market. So I will mark this reason right here as my first new high into the market. This is our new form of a higher high into the market. The reason for that is we did break above this previous lower high structure point here into the market, and we can see price break out of it, close above it, and form this new higher, new reg higher high. So now you guys can see price basically come to the downside but was unable to break under this lows here again, right? There we can see price create this first new new higher high into the market, right? So now we can see that, okay, if price did create this new higher high, price must have a new higher low. And where's our higher low point? This is our higher low point, right? This is our higher low point. This is where the move was starting from, right? There we can see price basically changing direction on our 4-hour time frame for continuation to the upside. So now we know on our weekly time frame we bullish, daily time frame we were still bearish, right? Because why? We was trading under our lower high. But now we can see already on a 4-hour time frame some form of a direction change. We can see that price basically creating higher highs and higher lows. So that's a sign for bullish momentum into the market. So now you guys could see on a 4-hour time frame, price did rally all the way to the upside, right? So now we can see that price did create this new higher high, and I will mark this reason right here. Oh, price did rally all the way up as well. Higher low, and this is our higher high. So now you guys could see on a 4-hour time frame, we still bullish, right? We have this rally here to the upside. We did break out of this higher high. We have a new higher high. Now we can expect price to continue to the upside, but we're still trading under this daily lower high structure point here into the market, right? So guys, please go through this video, and I recommend you guys to keep watching it and taking notes, because why, once you understand this basic top-down market analysis, it will help you a lot. And this is how we teach, and this is how we educate people here on Newton FX Academy to become one of the best and pro traders, guys. So this is it for this video, guys. So thank you.